Welcome to GRC Access Control interview questions. Question is a step is given: global process setting, maintain rule, maintain agent, notification and template, maintain path, maintain route mapping, and generate versions. So what all are these steps? So this is nothing but MSMP workflow. Steps are given. Global process setting. Say you can take a process firefighter log review, and then you will be maintaining rule here. Rule ID you will be getting from BRF plus, and through SPRO define workflow for MSMP rule. There you will be defining, suppose initiator rule and type would be flat. So here initiator rule ID will be maintained. Maintain agent, so agent will be maintained here, which is linked to the rule ID. Then notification and template will be maintained in a transaction code SE61. So user will be getting message or notification after the request. And maintain path. So here path is basically once a request is created, then which path will be followed by the request. So here rule ID and path ID will be, and stages will be maintained in the maintain path. And maintain route mapping. So sixth step is there, route mapping. It means where it should go, which approver it should go. So here path ID and rule ID will be maintained, and then generate version. So if after generating the versions, if all green, then good to go and activate the MSMP workflow. So hope you'll get an idea about MSMP workflow by this question. Thank you.